Hello guys, welcome to week 5 test for CYB 220 for Southern New Hampshire University. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my paper. Just think it's a little bit more easier. The first question is set the interactive login message text for a user attempting to log on. Prompt 2 warning: you are about to do something that is not authorized. As you learn on through the week, the group policies, you go to group policies, Windows settings, security options, interactive login message, and then text for users attempting to log on. And you pretty much put that what they want you to put. You put OK, screenshot, and there you go. Change the minimum password length to 8. Group policies, Windows settings, security settings, account policies, password policy on minimum password length, and then you just change it here to 8 and you put OK. Set prevent changing desktop background to disable. Add to comments: you are not authorized to change this setting in the comment box. Again. Group policy, administrative template, personalization for a specific background, and access color. And then from there you put enable. You hit the enable right here, and then you put what you are supposed to put. Set audit login event to enable. Group policy, Windows settings, local policies, audit policies. You set to enable here and you put OK. Set force a specific default lock screen and login image to enable and provide a path to the lock screen image of C Windows SNMU login.jpg. Group policies, administrative template, control panel, personalization, force a specific detail lock screen and login image. And there you go. It's just that simple. You enable it, and the path to link will be right there, right here, and then you go from there. Set Windows Defender firewall properties, firewall state to on, and set inbound connection and outbound connection to allow. Group policies, Windows settings, security settings, right click Windows Defender, hit properties. When you hit properties, you just put allow and allow. And these other ones, configure the network. You're gonna put this right here. And then when you do it, when you put that on the command line, let me see if I can get it bigger for you guys. See right here, it says that right there. And then you put static IP address of 192.168.1.101, and then 255.255.255.0, and then you put the is it default? Default address of 192, and then so on and so on, the way I want you to do it. And then you put IP configure, and it gives you the address that you put up here, the 255 subnet mask and the default gateway right there, and that's how you set it. It's really not okay. And you're gonna do everything with this one as well. It's asking you the one for the, so you have, for this one, it's going to be for Windows 10 virtual machine. For this one, it's going to be Windows 10 virtual machine V2 V3 new. This one is going to be for PC3 kiosk. And you notice it's pretty much the same thing here. So I'm giving you guys the command line here. All you gotta do is just put in the IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway. Okay, here I put out 3 of them for them, for the 3 kiosks. And then they wanted me to do the PC1 settings with the IP settings, which that's what I did right here. Keep in mind it's same thing right here. You see I put the net interface IPv4 setting address name Ethernet 0 2 static. And then I give them their subnet mask and everything. Same thing with the server. And then describe the benefits of using virtualization technology and sandboxing. You know, you guys gotta use your own words. You know, on this. But for the most part, that is how you do the week 5 test. Well, at least the last of it. And let me see, hold on real quick. Let me go and right through it. Project 1 submission. And then project 1 submission, and then we have the project. You have a project. Oh, actually, it's a milestone. Project 5. This one is going to be the virtual system and network concept brief on InfoSec, which that's pretty much what I just described right here and how I did my paper. The thing about the evaluation criteria is pretty much using your own words. I don't know what you guys are going to pick because there's 2 projects that you can pick from. So I'm not going to really make a video on that. But for the most part, if you guys go through the whole thing and doing your labs on evading IDS firewall and honeypot, which doesn't really give you anything much because the honeypot, like I told you, is just firewall and all these other crazy nonsense. To me, it's nonsense, but for other people, it's not. So this is the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Pretty much give you guys what you guys have to do here on how to go into your group policies and configuring the network. You know, it's just gotta write this right here on your command line, and then once again, IP address that you're going to use, your routing, and your default gateway, and that's how you set it up for static. All right, so that is the end of this video. Remember, we're all learning at the same time. Hacking is illegal, and enjoy it, have fun with it, do your own sandboxing so you guys can learn. I'm doing with CML, which is Cisco Modeling Labs. I'm gonna do more videos on that. I should be going into Sophia in a couple of weeks. I'm going through hopefully going through some job changes right now, and they're asking for so much. They're asking for background check and everything, and I'm not gonna get too much detail into what I'm gonna be doing, but have fun, enjoy, and remember, learn as you guys go.